So if you scroll down to gift cards right here, you type in the amount they want to purchase. You're going to issue it, and it's going to be a digital card. So you type in their phone number. And then message will just be gift card, whatever it is. And then we'll hit done. Then it's gonna go here. So from there you can hit pay. They can pay with their card or however they want to pay. So we'll do card. It's gonna go here. Buy it. Then it's gonna ask for a receipt. So to redeem it, we're gonna go to, just pretend they're buying their item, right? They're buying their item. We're gonna hit pay. Scroll down to Metis gift card. I'm gonna hit yes. So this is a digital card, and their customers should have gotten a text that looks something like this. So it's as simple as scanning it. You turn it sideways. It's as simple as just scanning that. That populates. You can hit done, and then it redeems their gift card. That's it.